In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your MSN email account. To delete your MSN account, you must close your Microsoft account entirely, since MSN email is part of the broader Microsoft account system. To begin, open Microsoft Edge or your preferred browser and go to the website account.microsoft.com. Click on your profile icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen to confirm that you are signed in with the account you want to delete. Once verified, click on the option labeled My Profile. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the profile page. Under the section titled Account Info, you'll find an option called Close Account. Click on it. You'll be directed to a new page where Microsoft will guide you through the account closure process. Scroll down and click on the Close Account option again to continue. If you have any active subscriptions, such as Microsoft 365 or Xbox services, it is recommended that you cancel them first. Next, Microsoft will ask you to choose a grace period, either 30 or 60 days, during which your data will be saved in case you change your mind and wish to reopen the account. Click Next to proceed. You will now be presented with a list of consequences that will result from closing your account, such as losing access to emails, OneDrive files, and other Microsoft services. Read through each item and check the boxes to acknowledge that you understand. At the bottom of the list, you'll be asked to select a reason for closing your account from a drop-down menu. Once selected, click the button labeled Mark Account for Closure. Microsoft will confirm that your account is scheduled to be closed and remind you that it can still be reopened within the grace period. After that, it will be permanently deleted. Finally, click Done to finish the process, and that's how you can delete your MSN account.